This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a DocuSign document before sending. First, open the document you wish to sign within the DocuSign platform. Look for the prominent Sign or Adopt and Sign button, usually located at the top or bottom of the document interface. Clicking this will prompt you to select your signature style. You can either draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or simply type your name, and DocuSign will generate a professional-looking signature for you. This initial step is crucial for personalizing your document. Once you've adopted your signature, you'll see it appear as a draggable field. Simply click and drag this field directly onto the designated signature line within your document. If the document requires initials on specific pages or sections, repeat this process for the initial fields. DocuSign typically highlights all mandatory fields with a red outline, guiding you to ensure every necessary part of the document is completed. Taking a moment to review these ensures compliance and avoids delays in your workflow. After placing all your signatures and initials, it's essential to conduct a thorough review of the entire document. Scroll through each page, carefully checking that all fields are correctly filled and that your signatures and initials are precisely where they should be. Look out for any remaining red outlines, which indicate uncompleted mandatory fields. Once you are completely satisfied that everything is accurate and complete, click the Finish or Confirm Signing button to finalize your signature and secure the document. With your document now fully signed and reviewed, the final step is to send it. Before clicking Send, take a moment to verify that the recipient list is accurate and includes everyone who needs to receive the document. You also have the option to add a personalized message, providing context or additional instructions to your recipients. Once you're confident everything is in order, simply click the Send button. Your signed DocuSign document will then be securely transmitted to all designated parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.